We begin by introducing the Kodak PIXPRO WPZ2, a waterproof digital camera. Firstly, this camera is designed for capturing life's moments, whether on land or underwater. Moreover, with its sleek and compact design, it's perfect for taking on adventures. Additionally, the camera features a 16-megapixel sensor, 4x optical zoom, and a 2.7-inch LCD screen. Meanwhile, these features make it easy to take high-quality photos and videos in various settings. Meanwhile, the Kodak PIXPRO WPZ2 is waterproof up to 49 feet, making it ideal for snorkeling, swimming, or simply taking photos in the rain. Furthermore, the camera also features image stabilization, which helps reduce camera shake and blur. Nevertheless, this feature is especially useful when taking photos in low-light conditions or when moving quickly. Besides, the camera has a built-in flash, which provides extra light when needed. In addition to its impressive features, the Kodak PIXPRO WPZ2 also has a user-friendly interface. Firstly, the camera's menu is easy to navigate, and the buttons are clearly labeled. Moreover, the camera also features a self-timer, which allows users to take photos of themselves or group shots. Meanwhile, the camera's battery life is also notable, with up to 200 shots per charge. However, the actual battery life may vary depending on usage. She notes that the Kodak PIXPRO WPZ2 is a great option for those looking for a waterproof camera. Firstly, its compact design and lightweight make it easy to carry around. Moreover, the camera's image quality is also impressive, with vibrant colors and clear details. Additionally, the camera's video capabilities are also worthy of mention, with the ability to record 1080p footage at 30 frames per second. Furthermore, this makes it perfect for capturing memories of trips to the beach or pool. Lastly, she concludes that the Kodak PIXPRO WPZ2 is a reliable and feature-packed waterproof camera. Firstly, its waterproof design and image stabilization make it perfect for capturing photos and videos in various settings. Moreover, the camera's user-friendly interface and compact design make it easy to use and carry around. Meanwhile, with its impressive features and image quality, the Kodak PIXPRO WPZ2 is a great option for anyone looking for a waterproof camera. Nevertheless, the actual performance may vary depending on individual preferences and usage.